start it with Sanjita. Sanjita, can I please have your audio? Yeah.
Can you listen me?
Yes, I can hear you. All the best, Sanjita. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. So, good evening, everyone. Good evening to all judges. Good evening to all the fellow contestants. I am Sanjita and I am from the city of Joy. I am 19 years old, and for me, life is happiness. That happiness comes from my work and my. Apart from that, I belong to an army background, and I completely understand the importance of representing your country nationally and internationally. And I would love to do that. There is a very important message that I would like to state to the youth of the growing youth or the growing generation of our country. That you know what, you have your own right to choose your own career. There can be a lot of hurdles in your way. You know, it can be the outer world, it can be your family, anyone. But you should be smart and able to make the last move. And ma'am, I want to show a dance to you that I have prepared. So just can I share the audio video?
Sanjita, video share करना allowed नहीं है. You'll have to perform it live if you have prepared it. तो आप audio चला सकती हैं.
My like house is very small, so like will it be like seen or not?
No, it won't be a problem. आप अगर थोड़ा space allocate कर लें, but yeah, you'll have to do it fast. You just have 20 seconds.
Okay, ma'am, the song.
That was your part to prepare. Sanjita, I really can't help you with it.
Ma'am, but it is written that the host can only share the song. Share any.
I guess that completes
play
the
the
time.
song. You need to play the song in your phone.
Play the song on her phone. You could play
Yeah.
the song in your phone, Sanjita. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
That will help. अगर volume थोड़ा कम भी है तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. आप phone पे play कीजिए and then you can just show us the performance. Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, the song is like stopping when I'm just getting back to the meeting.
Maybe we can continue with one more participant. Till that time, Sanjita can figure that out.
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. We can work. Sanjita, please आप तब तक अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए. Thank you. So next would be Shraddha. Hi, Shraddha.
Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Shall we start? Are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Hello, everyone. I don't believe in miracles. I do only believe the hard work. A person may be capable of achieving what he or she has always done by hard work. And the strength of my hard work comes from seeing my mother, because she is the source of my power. A very good afternoon to everyone and respected judges. My name is Shraddha Bharwar from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm 23 years old and I had pursued in BCom from Dibrugarh University, Assam. I am very much fond of acting, dancing, and painting. And I really want to see myself in this field as a successful model because I'm devoted to modeling. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you.
Yes. I want to perform a dance.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
मुश्किल से अकल का मारा है रे तू चल गई तेरी बातों से तू चल गई खल गई तुझे खल गई तेरी बेवफाई खल गई वो दरवाज़ों के खेत की बोले है जरा बता तेरे पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ हर मेरा गाना हाथ से लेके दिल ये बाजना तेरे पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ हर मेरा गाना हाथ से लेके दिल ये बाजना
Shraddha ji, can you hear me? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, kindly mute yourself. Also,
Yes, ma'am. I have just arranged a source of sound and music.
okay, Sanjita, according to your past fan, you have 30 seconds, so you can begin.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. आपका वीडियो ऑफ है. Yeah, better.
Can you hear the music, Harry?
No,
I can't.
no, we can't hear the music.
I think she is logged in from a phone, so that's the issue, that she can't do multiple things. Judy, the time is up. Sanjita, could you hear me?
yes
Okay, so that would be it. आपका music नहीं on था, but I guess you can't multitask with the phone here because of Zoom meeting में हो.
Ma'am, like, can you?
Yes, Chitra.
I would request all the participants who are, performing, please be ready with 2 devices so that we don't face this, because ultimately you will feel nervous in the end and it will affect your overall performance, which we really don't want. So whoever is planning to perform, please take a note of these experiences and plan for your thing accordingly.
Thank you so much, Chitra. I was about to mention the same thing, that एक तो you don't have to seek permission to start your performance. आपके पास 90 seconds and you have complete freedom to do whatever. तो उसके लिए अलग span नहीं होगा, अलग permission नहीं होगी. वो 90 seconds है and you can stand and start performing just by cross checking कि audio और video visible है या नहीं. That is it. आपको wait नहीं करना है, accommodate नहीं करना है. ठीक है? I hope that is clear with everybody. So jury members, can I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next would be Radhika. Hi, Radhika. Can I hear from you? Radhika Rane.
Hello?
Yes, Radhika. You are audible, but your video is off.
Yes. I'm turning on.
Okay.
Now?
Yeah, better. Okay, are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Radhika Rane from Mumbai, City of Dreams, and I'm an IT by profession and a soulful dancer by night. And I'm also a fashion enthusiast. And now I will show you my dance performance. पल सही मैं बनूं राधा चाहती हूँ कुछ तो मैं तो खुद से भी ज्यादा जो बने तो सही मैं बनूं राधा I think time is up, right? Hello?
10
I can't
seconds
hear
more,
you.
Radhika. 10 seconds more.
Okay, I thought finished. That's why turn off the audio. Hello? I think there is some
Okay.
connection. Thank you.
No. Thank you so much, Radhika. Thank you. Next would be the sequence goes Suman, Priyanka, Nidhi, Anushka, Babita. So, Suman, can I hear something from you, please?
Hi, Harry. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you. Are we ready?
Yes. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at automatically changes. Namaskar. I'm Suman Mishra, proudly representing the center heart of India, Nagpur. I'm an extremely optimistic person and my approach towards life is always being positive in all scenarios. This attitude of mine has always helped me to achieve unconventional tasks in my life. May it be doing great in academics and fetching a scholarship to study in Florida to now becoming a national contestant of Startup India. I strongly believe in women upliftment and really passionate towards becoming an entrepreneur. Being brought up in two diverse culture of Odisha and Maharashtra, I have a huge sense of understanding towards the culture and the people. I sometimes make caricature for fun. So these are my caricature. I started as doing it for my, I was mocking my friends and now it's a talent. I always make the best use of whatever situation I'm put in. And right now I'm at a state when I'm away from my hometown. So the clothes that I had to choose for this competition were very limited. So I made the best use of whatever I had. And this is what I'm wearing, which is completely DIY. Hope you can see this. I love dancing and I think dancing is something which always brings me back. It gives me life and purpose and helps me to express best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Suman. Next would be Priyanka. Hi, Priyanka. Can we hear from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are we
Can
ready?
you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
audible. Okay, go ahead.
This is my dance performance. हमारे इंडिया में 8 तरह के इंडियन डांस फॉर्म है. मैंने इस 50 सेकंड के डांस में मैंने तकरीबन 5 तरह के मतलब हमारे जो इंडियन डांस कल्चर में है उनको देने की कोशिश की है. 50 सेकंड्स में इतना मतलब होता नहीं है, इसीलिए मैंने कोशिश की है। अगर कभी भी मुझे मौका मिला आप सबके सामने डांस करने का, तो फिर मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं सारे हमारे जो 8 तरह के डांस फॉर्म है वो सब आप लोगों को दिखाने की। और डांस इज एवरीथिंग फॉर मी। मैं सुबह उठती हूँ डांस के लिए, रात को सोती हूँ डांस के लिए। इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ आता भी नहीं है, तो मुझे और कुछ करना भी नहीं था। मेरा नाम प्रियंका आचार्य है और मैं वेस्ट बंगाल के एक छोटे से जिला से बिलोंग करती हूँ, बीरभूम से। शायद अगर कोविड नहीं होता, ये सब कुछ वर्चुअली नहीं होता, तो मैं शायद कभी मतलब इसमें पार्टिसिपेट भी नहीं कर पाती। बट थैंक्स टू कोविड कि मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर पा रही हूँ। इतने सब खराब चीजों के अंदर भी कुछ अच्छा हो गया मेरे साथ। एंड आई थिंक मेरे 90 सेकेंड्स खत्म हो चुके होंगे, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत मतलब एकदम 50 सेकेंड्स का डांस और 40 सेकेंड्स में बकबक करूंगी, इसके लिए मैंने इतना सब किया है। एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इससे बहुत आगे जाऊं और मैं 8 तरह के मैं डांस फॉर्म को देके आप सबको दिखा सकूं कि हमारे इंडियन डांस फॉर्म में बहुत कुछ है, हमको वेस्टर्न से कुछ लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसी से हम सबका काम हो जाएगा। बस थैंक यू
प्रियंका, ठीक है, थैंक यू
Priyanka, you're very sweet.
थैंक यू मैम।
I wanted to, appreciate her for her honesty and accept
Yeah.
this, upfront
I agree.
acceptance. Yeah, so hats off to you. इसमें बहुत boldness और हिम्मत चाहिए accept करने को कोई भी चीज. So all the best and may all your dreams come true.
थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you. I completely agree with Chitra. I was about to mention the same thing. And, I think the radiance of positivity that you have spread is all across the screen right now, if we can see the faces. So I shall move forward to Nidhi. Hi, Nidhi. Can we hear from you?
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Shuru kare? Are we ready?
Yes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nidhi and I belong to Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. This is really a privilege for me to be a part of this pageant. First of all, I would like to thank FSIA who has given me a big platform. I want to go ahead in this field. I want to represent not only my state or district, but also my nation. I have been in the education sector for more than 20 years. I have received admiration letter from our former HRD Minister, Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, consistently in the years 2014-15 for my work of excellence. A word which defines me is determination. I love to be surrounded with people who give me positive thoughts. I would like to think like a queen. A queen is never afraid to fall. Thank you. Now I would like to showcase my talent, that is to play guitar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you. Jury members, can I proceed?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, after Anushka, the sequence goes Anushka, Babita, Hina, Pratiksha, Ayushi, and Angelina. So let's hear it from Anushka. Hi, Anushka.
Hello, Hari ma'am. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good
Hi, my
afternoon.
name is
Okay, go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Anushka Singh. Anushka basically means Annapurna, like god of food. So I strongly believe in that also. I'm that kind of person who cannot see someone in pain. I love to help people. When I was in college, so after that I got placed. So I was working within financial bank from last 2 years. 3 months back, I have left that job, and it is only because I wanted to pursue my dream, and my dream is like modeling, acting, and I wanted to help people. Currently, I'm working with 2-3 NGOs, Nimalaya Trust, Poonam Ecovision, and Rotaract Club. So I try to help people. Like I try to give them one meal a day, so which they cannot afford. And this is what I always wanted to do, but I couldn't. So now, I'm independent, so I think I can do whatever I have dreamt of. Hobbies, if I talk about hobbies basically means what you love to do. So I love to cook, I love to eat, singing, art and craft, painting, everything. So I'll present a small song. Okay, so दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी. It is done. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, Anushka, but time limit is something that we are restricted with. So I shall move forward. Yeah.
Harry, I want to tell the participants to be prepared with their closing, because it is their personal loss if they are crossing the time limit and unable to wrap up the introduction. Okay?
Sure. I think that is conveyed well. So next would be Babita. Hi, Babita.
Hello, ma'am. Shall I start?
Are we ready? Okay, start.
Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Hello, everyone. I am Babita Kataria from Jhunjhunu, and currently I am pursuing my MD in dermatology. Being a doctor, I am always short of time. I spend my most of time with my patients to help them get out of pain and suffering. Apart from this, I am very much fond of reading spiritual books and writing poems. Regarding this, I have a page on Instagram by the name of Shirdi Sai Om, which is about to reach 9K followers. My motto behind this is to help others fighting against anxiety, depression, and other mental issues. At the same time, I also want to spread love, positivity, and faith. My strength comes from seeing my father. I want to explore myself more, so I took this opportunity to put myself forward. I hope I am successful in making a difference one day, no matter how big or small. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, Babita. Thank you so much. So next would be Hina. Hi, Hina. Can I please hear something from you? Oh, there she is. Unmute कीजिए अपने आप को.
Hello everyone. Hello ma'am. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Hina Jadeja. I belong to Gujarat, Rajkot, and I always follow my heart and I always follow my dreams. I always believe in myself, and I am a learner. And right now I am doing an MBA from Atmi University. I want to walk alone. I want to, I want to fall down. I want to learn by myself. So I always interested in what I love to do. Thank you. And I'm fond of cycling. I found of dancing. I found of acting. So I love to express express myself through dancing. So I want to show you something. So can I?
ma'am, I am also interested in acting, so I want to show something. Can I?
Unfortunately, Hina, आपका time span खत्म हो गया है. We have completed 90 seconds. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we shall move forward to Pratiksha. Hi, Pratiksha.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ready.
Okay, start.
So good afternoon to the respected judges and everyone present here. Firstly, I would like to thank FSIA for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I am Pratiksha, of 20 years of old and from West Bengal. I am a student of BSc Nursing 3rd year, West Bengal University Health Science. And I am very when I engage myself in the service of any human as a nurse. And my hobby is listening music and traveling. The hardest thing being as a the hardest thing in the world is to make yourself human. My passion is to work selflessly for the welfare of the world, and I wanted to something for the society as well as our own country. And I also knew that it is very difficult for only Pratiksha, so I need different identity for that. I think this is the only me success. So I am going to sing a song for all of you. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. ना कोई है ना कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pratiksha. Thank you so much. So we shall move forward to, I have put in the sequence in the chat box as well. So it will be Ayushi, Angeline, Neha, Urvi, and Nuksha. So next would be Ayushi. Hi, Ayushi. Can I please hear something from you?
Hello, Harry.
Hi. Are we ready?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. You're audible.
Okay.
Yeah, you can start.
Ma'am, you start the time?
Yeah, I'll just start.
Okay, thank you. The harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you achieve it. Good afternoon. My name is Ayushi Pal, belonging to the city of Jhumka, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Talking about my qualification, last year I completed my intermediate and currently preparing for my entrance exam. Though I am a science student, my passion lies in acting and modeling, and FCA provides me an opportunity to fulfill them. Talking about my achievements, I am a silver medalist in district and state level dance championship. And I am a person who truly believe, follow your passion, give your 100%, and definitely you will achieve success. And talking about my hobbies, I love dancing and sketching too. Here are some of my sketches. The first one. The second one. And the third one. And now I'm going to show you my dance move. Hope you like it.